Hello everyone. Today we talk about the chapter 5 acid, base and salt. In this video we discuss about the exercise of this chapter. Question number first, the state difference between acid and base. See the solution. Acids are sour in taste and base are bitter in taste. The acid turn blue litmus paper into red color and the base does not change the color of blue litmus paper. Acids does not change the color of red litmus and the base turn red litmus paper to blue colors. Acid do not change the color of turmeric but the base turn turmeric to red. See question number second, it is a very simple and easy. The ammonia is found in many household products such as window cleaner. It turns red litmus blue. And what is its nature? Answer is basic in nature. Name the source from which litmus solution is obtained and what is the use of this solution. See the answer. The litmus solution is extracted from lichens and the litmus solution is used as an indicator to find acidic and basic nature of solutions. And it is the distilled water acidic, basic, neutral, and how would you verify it? And see the answer. The distilled water is neutral in nature and this can be tested by using a red and blue litmus paper. In earlier of the case, color remain unchanged. Answer number 5. Describe the process of neutralization with the help of an example. The neutralization is a reaction between an acid and a base. Here, both acid and base get neutralized. For example, when sodium hydroxide is added to hydrochloric acid to make the sodium chloride and water are obtained. See the reaction NaOH plus HCl. N react with Cl to make the NaCl sodium chloride and H react with OH to make the H2O water and release the heat. See in this question mark a T if the statement is true and F if the statement is false. See the first. The nitric acid turn red litmus blue false and the sodium hydroxide turn blue litmus red false and the sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid neutralize each other and form a salt and water. It is a true. And the indicator is a substance which show a different color in acidic and basic solution. It is a right. And tooth decay is caused by the presence of base. It is a false. See the question number second. The Dorji has a bottle of soft drink in his restaurant, but unfortunately, these are not labeled. He has to serve the drink on the demand of customer. One customer want acidic drink, another want basic, and third one want neutral drink. How will Dorji decide which drink is to be served to whom? Solution. See the answer. Dorji can taste a few drops out of the soft drink bottles. Acidic solution is sour in taste and the basic is bitter in taste and the neutral solution has no taste. Along with tasting, the Dorji can use the litmus paper to taste the nature of soft drink and he should use blue litmus paper to taste the acidic solution. Dorji has to put a drop of solution on a blue litmus. If it turns red, then the solution will be acidic in nature. Similarly, he can use a litmus paper to the test the basic solution. He has to put a drop of solution on the red litmus. If it turns blue, then the solution will be basic in nature. See the question number 8, explain why. It is very important. First one is N and antacids tablet is taken when you suffer from acidity. The antacid tablet contain a base like a milk of magnesia which neutralize the acid produced in stomach. Hence it is used while suffering from acidity. See question B. Calamine solution is applied on the skin when an ant bite. When An ant bite, it inject a formic acid inside the skin. The calamine consists of zinc carbonate, which is basic in nature. Hence, calamine neutralize the effect of formic acid to bring relief for the affected person. See question number second. The factory waste is neutralized before depositing into the water bodies. The factory waste are acidic in nature, which may cause harm to aquatic life. Hence, they are neutralized by using a base before depositing into the water bodies. See the question number 9. Three liquid are given to you. One is hydrochloric acid, another is sodium hydroxide, third is the sugar solution. How will you identify them? You have only a turmeric indicator. See the answer. Add a solution to container with a turmeric indicator. If the solution is NaOH, it would turn turmeric indicator to red. To the same container, add the test solution number 2. If the added solution is sugar solution, indicator remain the red because the mixture of basic and the neutral solution will remain basic in nature. Similarly, add the test solution number 3 to another container with turmeric indicator. If the container remains red, and then the solution will be hydrochloric acid. Thank you.